Thank you so much to give me this honor to represent Dad today, Rajan. Thank you very, very much. I know, it would be very different if he was here. And all I can say about Rajan and my father's relationship is, it was a very unique one. When I got to know Rajan, I was very young. I was, I think, very young, and my memory.
Very emotional moment.
Yes.
For me, so I like to be here with her.
I remember coming to his office with Dad. I remember there was an inauguration in your office.
Yes.
And I was like taken aback by seeing that big office, and everything was wow. Sai Baba ki badi murti thi, wahan puja ho raha tha, and that was my first thing of Rajan, Dad's friend, and wow, what a great office and everything. And from there on, I think their relationship built, and I always saw Rajan as my father's friend. So earlier I used to call you uncle. Then I realized the relationship is not just a friend. I think it was much more. It was like a father and son relationship. And I always remember that, whenever Rajan used to come and meet my father, he used to get him little gifts. Pens and watches, and my father would be so excited. It was like this child who's getting a gift, and he would have this big smile on his face, and he used to show off, see what Rajan has got for me today. So I think that was that really wonderful, sweet relationship. And I also want to say that we saw Auntie's blessings for you, Rajan, and I think you have really lived up to those blessings, because all your relationships that you've maintained all these years, and we can see this entire house is full of all the people who love and care for you, and I'm really overwhelmed to see that, and I can see so many people here who have been part of that journey with you, with my father, and and you thought of me today to represent Dad has been a very big moment for me. So thank you for having me here for this big day, and I'm really, really looking forward to reading the book, because there is so much about you I don't know. So much. And I'm really looking forward to understand what your life has been, with the good, the bad, and the ugly. So why not? I think that's a great way of, being so honest about your life, and you've penned it all down in a book, which is wonderful.
Thank you so much. Before she goes, she has to go a little early. And I'd like to thank Priya for coming today. And especially because the book is dedicated to Dutt Sahab. My fond love memories, Dutt Sahab, is all because of my friend and mentor, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. And please give him a round of applause. And I met Dutt Sahab through Shatruji, and I am always be grateful to you for having introduced me to him. And we've had some lovely times together in our bungalow in Andheri. But Dutt Sahab has been an inspiration to me all my life, and his positivity, his determination, his grit, and he actually lived his life his way. And this book is dedicated to him because he did it his way. And even if I am 10% or 20% of Dutt Sahab, or what I've seen and learned from him, I think my life has been successful. Another person who's been a great source of inspiration and inspiration and motivation for me has been Mr. Shatrughan Sinha today. And big round of applause to him for coming. And he has also written the foreword of my book, and it's so nice of him today that he has planned to grace the occasion as our chief guest. And I thank you, sir, for coming. And Jitu ji, thank you, sir. We've been friends. Rakesh ji, Shashi, Sonu, sir, Poonam, thank you so much for coming, Anu. That all of our friends, we last 40 years, 45 years friendship. And this celebration or launch of the book is less of a celebration, more of a reunion of old friends like Mr. Dinesh Nair, who's sitting here, who is the owner of Leela Hotel. And I must thank him for hosting us and hosting this whole occasion. He has been very hands-on, an old friend of 50 years for me. And I would like to thank you, Dinesh and Madhu, for being here. I'd like to thank Mr. Ketan Desai and Kanchan for coming. And Mr. Kanchan and Ketan. Ketan came for my Dubai launch. Thank you, Ketan, for coming so much. And all my other friends who've been here, who've come from Dubai and from Delhi and everywhere else. And thank you so much for all coming here and being here today.